In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Zendesk reports. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Zendesk to access your analytics and where sharing happens, along with a few practical tips to make the process smooth and reliable. Start on your Zendesk homepage. Make sure you're signed in with a role that can view analytics. Since access is permission-based, from the top left corner, click Support. This opens up the primary workspace menu, and it's the quickest path to the tools you use most often. If your navigation looks a little different, don't worry. Zendesk layouts can vary by account, but the support area is always your starting point for the help desk experience. Next, click Analytics. In many accounts, this is the section that hosts what Zendesk calls Explore, which is where dashboards, datasets, and reports live. Think of this as your reporting command center. If you need to review performance, track trends, or share insights with teammates, this is where it all comes together. If you see a message that analytics is still activating, that's normal on newer setups or recently updated accounts. It typically looks like a progress screen and may take up to an hour to complete. During this time, your historical data is being prepared behind the scenes. You can continue using Zendesk while you wait. There's no need to keep refreshing the page. Just return to Analytics a bit later and it should be ready. Once Analytics is active, you're in the right place. This is the area where your reports are stored, and this is where you share your Zendesk reports with others. You'll find your dashboards and pre-built views here, along with any custom reports your team has created. Before you share, give your report a quick review. Confirm filters like date range, groups, and channels reflect what your audience needs. Clear, consistent naming helps too. Using a name that describes the metric and time frame makes it easier for colleagues to recognize what they're opening. Keep in mind that people can only see what their role allows. So if someone can't access a report you've shared, it's usually a permissions issue rather than a problem with the report itself. If analytics doesn't appear for you at all, it may not be enabled on your plan or profile, so reach out to your administrator to confirm access. That's it. Start from your Zendesk homepage, go to Support, open Analytics, wait for activation if needed, and use this area to share your reports with your team. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.